Okay, guys, let's look at question 15. Okay, I'm going to share screen now, yeah? Okay, share screen. Share, okay? Can you see my screen now? Is my whiteboard link? Yeah, okay, good. So guys, I am now going to look at this question, okay? Yeah, this one, okay? Which is, okay, this one. Candle A, oh, sorry. Okay, Matthias, please don't request for remote control, okay? Let's have a pleasant day, happy day, okay? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to paste this question for you, okay? Yeah. You don't have to show me the solution, okay? But you need to show me, you need to circle your answers for me. Is that okay? I'll just push to you, okay? Okay, let's have fun now. So this is my whiteboard. Okay, do you notice the name of the whiteboard today? Okay, it's called Unstoppable, right? Yeah, because that's how I see you. Are you unstoppable warrior or not? The PSLE warriors, right? Correct or not? Okay, so this is the question. Let's have fun, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to push this to all of you. So we'll see what is your answer. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You just have to choose your answer, okay? So I'm pushing to you now. So, okay, push current page, yeah? Okay, just write for me the answer. Okay? Okay, so write for me your answers and then we'll see. Yeah. Matthias, stop asking me for remote control. If not, teacher Julie has to remove you, yeah? Yeah, okay? Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see all your answers. Woohoo! Wow. Okay, wow. Okay, guys, please do not write unkind names on your whiteboard. I will remove you. Okay? Because this is the class with love. Okay? So the one with the F toot, I give you only 1 minute to rename. If not, I'm going to remove you. I'm sorry. Okay? Yeah. Can? Yeah, just rename. Teacher gives second chance. Yeah? Okay. So, oh, I see quite a number of wrong answers. Yeah? So teacher is very happy because I have selected the correct question. Is that okay? So let's do it, huh? Okay, so let's read the question carefully. Okay, shall we? Okay, so the question is, okay, candle A and candle B were lit at the same time, right? Okay, and candle A lasts 3 hours and candle B lasts 5 hours. Okay. Okay, so this is the clue. After 1 hour, okay, both candles, okay, I think I should use another. Okay, so both candles were equal length, right? They were equal in length. So the question asks, what is the ratio? Okay, what is the ratio of candle A to candle B, right? Okay, so let's try to understand the question first, because if you don't understand the question, then we cannot do, right? So what will happen now is this. Listen. So let's look and understand what is going on for candle A. Let's draw candle A. So teacher has to do a little bit of model because it will help you to understand more. Okay? So the first thing is, what type of question is? Actually, this is a very, very nice question because it is a question on rate, okay, of two objects, A and B, right? It is also a question of, if you didn't realize it, it's a question on common numerator. You all realize it? Who realized that it's actually common numerator? Wow, Edison! High five! Wow! Aru, high five! Yay, I like you. Wow, really give me a high five. Nice one. Okay, so, okay, let's see why, okay? Yeah, okay, so let's see. Okay, this is my candle A, okay? And let's pretend that we are putting candle A, okay? We are putting candle A horizontally. So it means that it can last 3 hours, right? So what it means will be in 1 hour, this will be gone. In 1 hour, this will be gone. In 1 hour, this will be gone. Everybody understand? Yes? Okay, very good. I saw a lot of nodding of heads. Then let's look at candle B now. Candle B, okay, they didn't tell us how long is candle B, right? They didn't tell us. All they tell us is that it can last 5 hours. So sorry, I'm not using common numerator here yet, okay? Yeah. So, but I just want to explain to you what is going on. That's all, okay? So here it will be this one, okay? It will be okay. So let's draw it. Okay, that there is it's just to teach you what is happening to the candle, okay? Okay, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I really don't, there's no clue on the length of the candle. So basically it just means like that also lah, right? Okay, so we think about it now. Okay, we think about it now. They say after 1 hour, this is the clue. This is where our secret is. After 1 hour, okay, after 1 hour, both candles are equally in length. Okay, so we know something like that, right? We know that after 1 hour, guys, okay, after 1 hour, we know this is say bye-bye, gone, correct? And after 1 hour, this is also gone. True or not true? Everybody okay with this? Yeah. After your virtual looks scary, leh. Yeah. Okay. So here, this is what is left, right? So we are going to write here. Okay. So 2/3 of A, 2/3 of A is supposed to be equal in length. That means this model is not correct, but it's just for understanding, okay? 2/3 of A is equal to 2/3 of A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/5 of B. Everybody understand the why now? They're supposed to be equally long, right? Okay, that means this model is not correct, but at least you understand the why. Okay, so they are equally long. We have to make what the same? Okay, answer in chat for me now. Wait, make what the same? Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. I ask Uncle Brian to help you. Daddy, can you remove the coming in sound? Yeah, so that we don't distract the kids. Yeah, numerator the same. Very good, Yang Yi. Very good, Jaden. Very good, Zek. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to make the numerator the same. So we're going to times 2 and times 2 here. Okay, so here, this will be 4/6 of A is equal to, okay, it's equal to 4/5 of B. Okay, yeah. So actually, only when we are at here, we can draw a proper model that makes sense. Okay, so teacher asked a question, a quick one. My question is, do you want teacher Julie to draw the model for you for this part? If you want, say yes. If you don't want, say and or no. Okay, teacher is just looking. Okay, no need. Oh, very good. That will save time. We can go to another question. Okay, so now we know that, okay, everybody, we know that this refers to the total of A. And this refers to the total of B. Everybody understand this? Correct or not? Yeah? So what is the ratio of the candle A to candle B at first? So it must be what? It must be this one. Okay, if you got light bulb, can you just say understand? Just say understand. You, or just say you, okay? Understand. Everybody okay? Anybody want me to say something? Let me see the you. Okay, very good. Wow, okay, very good. So do you like this question? Do you find that this is a smart question? Okay, this is a question where like you don't know how to do and it's PSLE, then you start to cry already. You start to think that, ayo, too hard maybe 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, how hard already? No lah, it is one of the naughty one only. The rest quite quiet, okay? Just remember, the rest quite quiet, yeah? Okay, not all are naughties, okay? Yeah, okay. So are you happy that teacher chose this even though it's in paper 1? Now you understand why I choose paper 1? Yeah, Uncle Brian was saying, I thought it's supposed to be paper 2. Why are you doing paper 1? Then I said, no, this is a good question. Some kids won't understand if I don't teach them. Now you understand, yeah? Okay. So can we do the next one, everybody? Good. Give me a thumbs up. Shantosh, you don't understand. You want me to explain again? Do you need me to explain again? You want me to explain again? Okay, which part you don't understand? Teacher give you 1 minute to help you. Which part? Unmute and tell me. Oh, Chantal, your screen is frozen. Okay. Chantal, if your screen is frozen, you can go out and come in again, okay? Okay, since Chantal don't understand, based on my experience, this part, can I draw the model for you immediately, understand? Is that okay? Yeah? Is it okay? I draw for you, huh, darling? Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, everybody must say thank you to Chantosh. The reason is because, based on my experience, when one child does not understand, it means there are a few who do not understand. Okay, but they are too shy to ask. So Chantosh have a badge of courage today. Right, Chantosh? Nah, give you a badge. Receive it now. Good job, good job. Okay, teacher is going to draw the model for you. Is that okay? Yeah, okay. So we have, okay, we're going to draw A first. A. We are going to draw the left part first, which is 4. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sense now? Okay, but we know the total must be 6, right? So we are going to draw equal size box. Actually, this is not as equal as I want it to be. That means we have to draw 6. Everybody understand now? Correct? Okay, and then I'm going to highlight for Chantosh this 4. So Chantosh get the idea. Chantosh, this is the 4. Understand where I got my 4? It's from here. Okay, this is the left part. Okay, this is the left part. So I'm going to write here as the left. Okay, this is the left. This is the burn part, right? The burn part. But okay, but it's gone already. Gone. Now let's look at candle B. I'm going to use pink candle B, okay, so you can follow candle B. And this is still 4. This is the left part. Now can you see all the boxes are the same size now? This is exactly 4. So that is the left part. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then because the total is 5, it's actually 5 here. And let me shade for you the front part that is still left. So Chantos, do you understand now that why 4th, 6, which is here, is actually as long as 4/5? Get it or don't get it? Understand now? Yes, Chantosh? If okay, then give me a okay sign, okay? You understand already? I got that part right. Okay, the key idea behind common numerator is that when they compare the numerator, they must be the same. And in order to make the numerator the same, you must use LCM to make them the same. That's all. Okay? Yeah. But then the question is, do you even recognize that this is a common numerator question? How do you know? Right? There's no fraction here even, you know. Guys, so this one is a question that really stream out kids who may get who are planning to get AL1 or 2 already. Okay? Yeah. So if you can solve this, okay, then work hard. Okay, you will achieve your dreams of your score that you want. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So I will add this question in high school. Okay? Yeah. So can we do the next question now, everybody? Would you want to? Okay, let's do the next one now. Okay, is today's lesson okay so far? The pace and everything? Yay! Okay, good. Okay, let's do the next one, okay? Okay, let's go to my Adobe again. Yeah, okay. So I was worried that y'all do all of them, then I feel bad if I don't go through. Yeah. Okay, this one can? Well, we have Mrs. Krishna in the story now, okay? Yeah. Okay, guys, I need to do this question because I know, excuse me, I know from my experience that a lot of children struggle with this. So teacher is going to teach you how to understand it better. Is that okay? Yeah, okay, this is fraction with units, right? So shall I put it on the whiteboard for you so that you can write down your answers? Okay, let's have fun, okay? So everybody feel that, you know, you have a sense of ownership, okay? Yeah. So, okay, we're going to the whiteboard now, guys. Okay, let's have fun on the whiteboard. Okay, the next question now. Okay, yeah, going to add one more question. Yeah, okay. So, okay, this question. Okay, for children or parents who have just come in and you don't have the whiteboard link, I'm going to send it to you again, okay? Because I want you to participate also. I want it to be beneficial to you. Okay, so let me put inside the Zoom chat again, huh? Hold on a minute. Okay, yeah. Jaden, we are going to go through 7, I hope. Actually, I post 3 questions in the WhatsApp to tease the kids. These 3 questions were asked by one of my students, Charlene. So I just put it in the group. Yeah. Oh, you couldn't see the question? It's on the whiteboard now, darling. If you want the question, okay, Uncle Brian will give you the download link again for this question, okay? Yeah, you just look out for the comments. No, I mean for the chat. Yeah, Uncle Brian will give it to you. Okay, so guys, okay, everybody is in whiteboard now, huh? Okay, yes. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so Teacher Julie focus on teaching. Uncle Brian focus on helping you with this admin stuff, okay? Yeah, he's my great partner, okay? So I'm going to push this to you. Is that okay? Are you ready? Okay, are you ready? Okay, and if you're ready, teacher just give you 1 extra minute. I give a timer, okay? Sometimes my students have this, then they will go tick, 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 then they know that time's up already, cannot do anymore, okay? So, okay, you can copy down you can write down your solution if that's easy for you. If you don't want, you can just give me your final answer A and B. That's okay for me too, okay? Are you ready? Okay, as a context. Okay, so once you are done, maybe we type in the chat, just write done, D. Okay, that means we know who are the warriors that finished it earlier. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to push this to you now. Are you ready? Okay, you must go to the whiteboard. If not, you're late entering the whiteboard will not push to you. Then I cannot push you again because too many people to re-push already. Okay, then I cry. Okay, so are you ready? Teacher's pushing now. 1, 2, 3, and go! Yeah, go, 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 go. Okay, try. Yeah, try. I just want to see who gets stuck. Yeah. Okay. Just have fun. Okay, I forgot to on my timer. Just 1 minute for y'all, okay? Just have fun, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so teacher is going to pause share and beeping at all the answers. Okay, you have 30 seconds left, guys. Wow, I see many answers. Okay, I see many good answers. Wow, you guys are awesome. Teacher is looking at all the work now, yeah? Okay. Wow, very good. Very, very good. I see the word not sure. That's great. It's okay. It's good to say not sure like Shantosh, right? Oh, I saw one person got it wrong. Okay. Okay, I saw one question, but I saw Avenger helmet. I don't know what's that for. Okay. Okay. Hey, Yang Yi. Okay. Yang Yi, you went to round off. Okay. I can see your answers, you know. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Guys, I'm going to resume share now. Okay. Yeah. So I know that most of you know how to do, and I'm happy. Okay, let's do the for parents who have challenge doing this question with your child. I think one of the way you can do it is, for example, instead of using like unfriendly fraction, you can use friendly fractions like 1/4, and then here you can use like 1/4, maybe 1/2, that kind of thing. Yeah, then I think, and then draw for the child, then the child will understand better. Okay, so let's do the conventional way. Okay, I know all the conventional people will know. Okay, so what they do? Okay, so basically what happened is this, right? It's just like your primary 2, but primary 2 you have not learned your fraction, right? So for primary 2, okay, teacher is going to use my whiteboard now, because if not, then not so good. Okay, so let's read the question first, yeah? Okay, so Mrs. Krishna, okay, Mrs. Krishna had a piece of ribbon 3.8 meter long, right? And she cut it into 112-meter pieces, right? So we know this refers to like value, quantity, right? Okay, so they ask you now, first question, okay, how many, how many 1 out of 12-meter pieces of ribbon were there at most? Okay, so at most means, like, you know, in high school we just call it minimum, maximum. Okay, if you want to find question like this, if you want to find question with meter on high school, you look for fraction with units. Okay, yeah, they're all there. Okay, because I know some of you are high school subscriber. Okay, so okay, then after that, what happened? Okay, so teacher draw for you first. Yeah, teacher draw and help you understand first. Okay, so we have a long piece of ribbon. Okay, we have a long piece of ribbon, and it is 3.8 meter long, right? 3.8 meter long. Okay, and we are going to cut it into small pieces. Okay, we're going to cut it into small pieces that is like that. Okay, something like that, which is 1/12 meter, right? So how many pieces can we cut, right? That's the question now. How many pieces can we cut? Okay, so assuming that instead of 3.8, what if teacher change? Okay, teacher change to 11 meter. Okay, teacher change to 11 meter. Okay, and then here I change to 2 meter. Then I'm sure, Daddy, can you off the in and out sound? Okay, so can you see that it will be so easy? It's like you just know that it's 11 divided by 2, right? Everybody agree with teacher? Agree, right? Okay, so in the same thinking process, we know that it will be 3.8, okay, which is from here, divided by 1/12. Right, this one I think, if you understand what I meant by 10 and 2, then you can understand this. So this one will be 3.8 multiplied by 12 over 1. And then you can do cross cancellation, right? So 12 and 8. So it will become 3 here, and it will become 2 here. Then it becomes 9 out of 2. Okay, and then if we change it to mixed number, it will be 4 and 1/2, and this is the answer for A, right? No, that's not the answer for A. You see, too fast already, right? What does this answer? Yes, that's why not like, wow, happy show. They'll just write down 4.5. Cannot, right?
4.
Yes. You know why? Some people will think that, hey, it's not 4.5, it's 5. How can it be 5? It's cannot. Very good, Jay.
Okay. It's more than that.
Yeah, okay. So the answer should be 4. Okay, later I will draw for you the y, okay? The answer, because this one here is too abstract for some children, right? Some too abstract. So here, we will have this as 4, okay? The answer is 4. But later, you give teacher some time, I will show you the y later, okay? So this is 4. Okay, then the next part is the one that a lot of kids, they will get it wrongly. They will do wrongly, right? Okay, so why? Why did they do it wrongly? Okay.
1 over 24.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, teacher, I'm locked in my yeah, okay. So they ask you now, what is the leftover? What is the leftover length of ribbon, right? Okay, what is the leftover length of ribbon? And they say you have to give it in meter, right? In simplest form, right? So what will happen is, actually, the leftover, okay, is half of 1/12. It's half of 1/12 because every piece is 1/12, and what is left is actually half of 1/12. So what you need to do will be just to use what is the half of means times 1/12, which is equal to 1 out of 24 meter, right? Okay, so this is what your teacher will teach you, right? Okay, especially if you are very clear. But some kids, they are not so clear. So teacher is going to explain to you why is it like that. Is it okay? May I explain? Who think that I should? If you think that I should not, then just tell me. Teacher will move to, okay, Anhui say yes. Okay, so I'm going to show you the why. Okay, the why is very important. Okay, in order to know the why, the trick is, look at this. Okay, Okay, can you see this is 3/8 of a meter, right? So they are actually cutting 1 meter into 8 pieces. True or not true? Okay, and this one here is 1/12 of a meter. So the key idea is, okay, key idea is, look, we can make the denominator the same to understand first. Okay, so 8 times 3, okay, maybe I change color, guys. So 8 times 3, what is this color? Oh, okay, 8 times, sorry guys. Oh, I know now because I'm on whiteboard. So whiteboard doesn't allow me to. So 8 times 3, okay, is 24, right? 3 times 3 is 9. True or not true? Make sense? So that means this long ribbon, we can, don't write it as 3 out of 8, right? Meter. We can change it to 9 out of 24 meter because it's exactly the same, right? It's just that we, yeah, okay. Then let me finish first. This one also do the same because they are from the same base, and the same base is 1 meter. You must remember what you've learned in your P4, P5. Same base means based on that same length, right? Same meter. So here we can multiply it by 2 and multiply it by 2, right? So this one will be 2 out of 24. Everybody agree with me now? Correct, right? Okay, so what will happen now is that, so this 9 out of 24, okay, so we are going to cut 9 pieces since they say it's 9. Okay, this, let's pretend it's 9 out of 24. So this one here will be actually 1 out of 24. You understand? Okay, so I need to clean away this because if not you get confused. Okay, so this one here will be 1 out of 24. This one is also 1 out of 24. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a bit too long. So teacher is going to remove this part for you so that you won't get confused. Okay? Yeah. Teacher really mind you being confused. So teacher is going to erase this. Okay? Sorry guys. It's gone so that you can see this. Okay guys. We know that she cut into pieces of 2 out of 25, right? So if all of these are 1 out, okay, we need to change back to the purple color. So if all of these are 1 out of 24, 1 out of 24, how many is that? There are 9, right? So 1 out of 24. Okay, sorry for the poor handwriting. Okay, so what will happen, okay, is this. Can you see now? I'm going to use my blue scissors and cut now. Can you see? 1 cut. Because this is 2 out of 24, right? This is the second cut, right? This is the third cut. Make sense? Yeah, this is the fourth cut. And all of them are 2 out of 24, right? You got that bar already? You understand the why, the real why? Why it cannot be 5? It can only be 4? Use toilet paper and play if you really want. Okay, take out toilet paper and play. You can cut. Okay? Yeah. So it must make sense, guys. You cannot memorize things. In math, you must understand. If you don't understand, think of the why. Then you will really have fun. Okay? So now you see this 1 piece, 1 piece, 1 piece, and 1 piece. And you know that it's ridiculous to have 1 more piece, right? And then can you see now what is left is exactly 1 out of 24. Make sense now? Who think that you are a lot clearer on the why already? Can you give me a yes? Write a yes for me, like, oh teacher, now I get it. Now I get it. Yeah. Well, okay, thank you. Yeah. So last time sometimes you're just, teacher say the step is like that, then okay, I follow the step. But actually I don't know my why. Don't do that, okay? Learn your why. Ask the teacher, why, Why? Teacher, I still don't get it. Why? Okay? But make sure that she's not very tired. Yeah, I used to make this mistake. So do I! Okay? It's like, what? And I really had a hard time explaining to my student. So I always need to improve myself. You see? Even teacher truly needs to improve. Okay? Yeah, okay. So you understand the why now. If you're stuck for this question, Next time, if no choice, you just draw your model out like what I did. Sure, answer pop out one. Clear? Okay, can I continue now? Wow, Jenny, you're in the car. I like your spirit. I like your eager to learn spirit. In the car also join my class. I feel very honored. Give you a fly kiss. Okay? Yeah, okay. So next one. Can I go to the next one now? Okay. Hey guys. Oh yeah, teacher forget something. Uncle Brian is going to send a link. If you really think that your friend, especially your friends that you love children, you think that, hey, I love my friend. I want them to join me now. Okay? Give them the Zoom now. Zoom now. Let's help each other. Okay? If you think that you have one friend that you want to go to the same school with them, yeah. Okay, give them the Zoom link now. Say, hey, come and have lesson. This teacher is a nice person. Yeah. Okay, can? Yeah. Okay, so teacher is going to clear all this now. Okay. Yeah. Because to be honest, it really doesn't matter to me whether I teach 1 or 10 or 100 or 200 because it's the same delivery, right? As long as you understand. Okay. So may I go to the next question now? Do you all need toilet break? No need toilet break. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Remember last lesson? Teacher asked you, right? Teacher asked you, what if your daughter, my daughter, okay, for first year exam, came down from the staircase and say, Mom, I just forgot to attend my university exam. Number 1, will you bash her? Number 2, will you cane her? She's already 18 or 19. Yeah. Number 3 is typical mother answer question. Will you go and beg the professor? Please. Okay. Number 4, will you go and get MC with your daughter? Let's go and get MC now. Quick. Number 5, will you break her legs? Because her friend asked her to break her legs, right? Teacher is half joking. What will you do? Okay, you think about it, but don't be bothered by it. Maybe when I go to the 4th question, then I tell you what I do, okay? Can? Okay. So next question now, yeah? Okay. So the next question, I really like it. When I did the question, I was like so confident. Yeah, like, what is question? Question is okay for me. Then when I started to do, it's like, why cannot solve? What crap is this? Yeah. Then after that, I stared at the question. I said, oh, trick! I was so upset. I got tricked. So I wonder if you got tricked. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to send this question to you. If you never got tricked, I shake hand with you. I give you a handshake of honor. Also, okay. No badge already. Handshake. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to send this question. So you must understand when I choose a question, it's usually because I know there's something that you can bring home.
So can you send me the whiteboard?
Send you the what? You just came in, Beat your buttock. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to say it to you. Okay. But you must mute, darling? Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, okay, we're going to look at this question now. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. So, I got tricked. I hope you didn't. I'm so embarrassed to tell you I got tricked. Okay? But I want you to know that even people who have been doing math will get tricked once in a while. So, why call myself, I must be dumb? No, right? I'll be like, whoa, I like this question, damn sure. Okay? Yeah, so you must think like that for math. Don't think I must be lousy. I'm not born to do math. That is a big fat lie. Okay, remember that. That's a big fat lie. Okay, so we are going to do this question. Let's go to the whiteboard now. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to your whiteboard now. Okay, I just want your answer. Okay, I just want your answers. Okay, but if your fingers is fast and you want to show the steps, okay, I'm happy to show you. Can? Yeah, are you ready now? So I'm going to push you. Go to your whiteboard now, guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, push. Okay, and I'm going to give you 1 minute to do. I see who can do it in 1 minute. Yeah, you can copy your solution over. It's okay. It's still counted as 1 minute. Okay, never mind. 1 minute, guys. Hi, Justina. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Claire. Yeah. Okay, so You all received the question? Yeah, I see some of you doing the question. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Teacher is looking at all your solution. Oh, it's okay to don't know, okay? It takes courage to say I don't know, by the way, okay, than pretending to know, right? Yeah. Okay, just try, guys. I pushed the question to you. Have I pushed it to you or didn't receive the question?
Yeah,
Okay.
what are we doing?
Okay, sorry, I think I didn't push you. I did push you the question. Okay, you try now. Okay. Okay, you try now. Yeah. Okay, I give you extra 30 seconds. Okay, I see some of your friends. Okay, I see some of your friends doing question. Okay. Wow, I see that Zhehao was not tricked. That's very good. Yes. Okay. Yeah, Daniel, you didn't try your whiteboard, Daniel? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, teacher removed this student first. Sorry guys. Bye bye. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. But why 36 leh? Oh, I see your friends really working hard. So that's why just now, I was asking the children, I said, can my when I posted this, I was like, solve this 7 question in 10 minutes. Auntie Sabrina was like saying, you sure not can solve in 10 minutes? Can. For me. Sorry. But for kids, maybe 15 minutes can? 15 at most 20, yeah? Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, okay, I like that I don't know. Please help. Okay, that means I chose a good question for you, right? Wow, I see all of you doing. Okay, so teacher is going to explain to you why, okay? Okay, you know why I got tricked? I'll be honest, Ken. Yeah, teacher doesn't fake one, okay? Yeah, I got tricked because I didn't see this word. It didn't click inside me that I wanted to shoot my own head, bang bang, So I felt so deceived. Hey, give and share is different, right? Share means you have one portion too. True or not true? So who got tricked? Can you own up? Who get tricked? Can you please own up? Yeah. Oh, those who get tricked. Me. Yeah, I'm not alone. Yeah, I'm not alone. I'm so happy. I'm not. Hey, I'm so happy it happens before PSLE. Come on. Right. Yeah, so I'm not alone. Okay. Okay. So, okay, good job. Okay. So now okay, so you're going to share with 3, but okay, so if COVID, why call COVID? I hate this name, who like this name? It's so sad. You lock us in the house. Now you have to stay with me. This is such a sad thing, COVID, right? Okay. So COVID share with people won't be 2 or 3, will be thousands. Okay. So 1 COVID can share with 2 person, right? So it will be 3 person. Okay. Or 1 COVID share with 3 person is 4 person, right? Correct or wrong? Okay, I need to highlight to you. This question cannot do numbers times value one. Do you know why? Because this question use lowest common multiple is easier. It's very intuitive. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So teacher is going to, if you can use numbers times value, you send me a message. Okay, I help you check. Yeah. Okay. So let's do it now. Okay, so if you can divide by 3 or divide by 4, it will be what? Divide by what? Thank you, Shantosh. Divide by 3 and divide by 4, it will be what? Divide by 12, right? True or not true, guys? Okay, so here it will be, okay, so LCM, you must write all these steps for your teacher. LCM of 3 and 4 is actually equals to 12. Everybody understand this? Correct or not? Makes sense, right? Okay, so next one, guys. What about you share?
How you get the 3 and the 4?
Because COVID
It's shared. It's shared, so it includes COVID inside.
Yeah, thank Elston. Steady, paying attention there. Okay, thanks for covering my back. Okay, so here, this is
36 is the answer.
Sorry?
I think 36 is the answer.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so next one, if you share them with 4 friends, there will be 1 toy car left, right? So basically, this one here will be multiple of 4 plus 1 is 5. Multiple of 5, but you need 2 plus 1 after that because there's 1 left. It's here. Get it now? Okay, so teacher tell you something. Why one of the clue how you know this one probably cannot use number time value. I tell you how to see, okay? And how do you see that actually is the lowest common multiple? Are you curious? Curious, right? Okay, I teach you how to see. It's not foolproof, but it usually works, okay? Dun, 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 dun. Draw a flower. Pretty, pretty flower. Right. Correct or not? Because in the first place for number of time value, total value is a fixed value, correct or wrong? Right. But for this one, it won't be a fixed value, right? Understand now? That's one of the clue you can know already. Clear? And also, because of the word list, you know, list lowest common multiple, right? Okay, so you got like bar now, guys? Get it now? That's one way to check your keyword ideas, okay? So now, so before I continue, I will write here as 12, comma, 24, and then comma, 36. Okay, my habit, my personal habit is I won't do from 1 to 10 on there. I don't have time, okay? So I will usually do first 5 first. It depends on the range. If they give me a bigger range, then I work backwards. If they don't give me a range, normally my style is I do 5 lah. Okay, not enough, then add. Okay, because no time for exam. Okay, so here. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 ways how I think you may do it. Okay, it's a personal preference thing, nothing right or wrong, but for me I prefer the way I do it lah. Okay, so you have 12, 24, 36, then what, 48, right? And then 60. Okay, that's what I do. Okay, so the first way I think most of you will do will be like that, right? Something like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Wow, very long eh. If I do the first 5 one, that will sure die one, okay? Not enough one, okay? Because the medium number here is already 36. I haven't hit my 36 yet, you know? Correct or not? True? And then let's say if I plus 1. So here will be 6, 11, 16, 21, 26, 31, and 36, right? Make sense? Makes sense, right? Okay. So guys, how? So then after that, I know what you'll do, right? You will find the common one, okay? The common number between them. So teacher's going to circle for you in orange, okay? No, green. 36. 36. You get it, right? That's the answer. But it's very long, right? Shantosh, don't worry. You can watch it again, okay? You can watch again. Hey guys, you know how to play this? You know how to play this or not? You want to know? If you really, really don't, and you're in P4, and parents are teaching this in P4, right? Or P5, or P3 lah. You know, if you're my kid, you know how to play? I go and take the beans, and then I go and count first lah. Then I put the beans, and then you know, some last time on TV show you have this gambling thing, right? Then the stick, then it's like they were like 4, 4, 4, 4. Like, guess what's the last one, right? Yeah, play lah, guys. Don't learn by the hard way. Have fun. Go and open a home gambling den and just play. 10 20 cents, just play. It's quite fun. Okay, parents, if you understand what I mean by that game, okay, I encourage you to play with them later. Okay, they really will understand that actually, you know, you really have to guess the number and it will work, right? Have fun, okay? Okay, this is one way, okay? This is what most kids will do, okay? Now I'm going to show you what I will do, okay? Listen carefully, So, okay, let's pretend, okay? Let's pretend that, Let's pretend I really only have 12. Let's pretend, okay? So guys, I have 12. I have 12 toy car. Miserable 12 only and still want to share with so many people. That's fine. So, okay. So if I have 12 toy car, I'm going to share with myself and 4 friends, which means 5. Isn't it 12 divided by 5? Do you agree with me or not? You must understand. Your brain must roti prata to understand this. Shantosh, if you don't understand this, that's fine. Go and get 12 sweet and share with 5 friends. Okay? Then what will happen? Then each friend will get 2, right?
Yeah.
And then your remainder is
2.
2. But then they say the remainder is 1 leh. Wrong. Because the remainder is wrong. Now, let's promote ourselves. I'm richer now. I have 24 toy car. Okay? So 24 divided by 5 again, okay? 5. We have what? What's that?
4.
4. And then what? Remainder what?
Remainder 4.
Correct or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong.
1.
Now I'm even richer. I have 36 now. 36 divided by 5 is what?
Is equals to 35. I mean
7, right? Remainder?
remainder 1.
So, is it remainder 1 now?
Yes.
Understand or don't understand? Got light bulb or no light bulb? You understand what I'm trying to teach you? Yes or no? Okay, can I roti prata this question for you? You want me to roti prata it for you? This one's like, what roti prata is that? Yeah, I put onion, put chili padi. Okay, I just changed one word. I try. If I cannot roti prata, please forgive me, but I try, okay? What if I say, let's see who really understands. What if I say there will be 1 toy car? Na 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 na, short. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
You must
Change 1 word only, guys. 1 word. So if you are trained to always reach question based on your brain, oh, I see it before my school.
You
And
must
then,
basically the same method, right? Just that minus 1 instead.
so what's the answer?
34.
It's 24, right?
What? Which one are you talking about?
What if it's short? If it's short, it's how many?
Oh, if it's short, then you're 24.
Correct. Do you understand the why? Who wants me to explain the why? I can explain. Raise your hand if you want it. Yeah. Hey, Arun looks stunned, you know. Got the stunned look. Yeah. Okay, I tell you the why, okay? Let's think about it. What does it mean by 1 short? 1 short means not enough by 1, right? Correct or wrong? Not enough by 1. So you see now, if you are dividing by 5, you have a remainder 4. Can you see now 4 plus 1 will be 5. That's why it's called 1 short. Yeah? Yeah. So you understand what is roti prata now? Hey, I'm a roti prata expert, okay? Because I call now the 8,000 question of roti prata.
That's the roti prata. Let me eat.
Okay, we go and eat. You do well for exam, you date me out. I give you roti prata treat.
Really?
So many roti prata. I need to book the whole restaurant.
Oh God, Vivian said, can I eat you?
Jaden is amused now because I always say, you naughty, I eat you up. That's why. Okay, so can we go to the next question now?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, by the way, this question is in this question is one of the PSLE question. Teacher can recognize.
So easy.
Most of the prelim paper question are usually 80%, 70, let's say 70% PSLE question. They just clone it like me, but they clone it the hard way. I use software to clone a bit easier. So if you really want to do well for exam, not you already, you're too late. I won't even offer you the P6 high school program already. The P5. You go and look at the PSLE question in high school. Whack, left, right, center, up, down, just whack. Okay? Can? But cannot whack without understanding. Must whack with understanding. If you see the solution and you just memorize the step, you just take a gun and shoot yourself. Don't get high school, okay? You must really understand. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so can I go to the next question now? Shall we? Oh, how many questions do we do already? 3. Okay, let's do one more then. Give it a toilet break, okay? Short toilet break, can?
Yay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. The toilet, go toilet friend very happy. Yeah. Sometimes I don't allow
Hey,
toilet
can
Me too.
break. It depends. You may want to go toilet now. Okay, go. I think some people just hey, guys, go toilet.
看 lobby 的话，
Story time.
Just go toilet now, guys. If you need to go toilet, drink water. Hey, guys, you need a lot of water for your brain. So teacher is going to drink 2 cups. Let's see who will drink more than me.
I drink 3.
Okay, let's complete. Come. 1 cup.
nice?
Yeah. One cup. I cannot drink 3 cups. I will vomit. I can only drink max 2. So,
Then do
thanks. Chantal, drink more water. Yeah. Okay, everybody drink water. Okay, parents also drink water. Huh? By the way, if there are tutors here, welcome. I'm honored that you're here. Yeah, and I'm sure you can do just as well. 加油 tutors. Okay. Yeah. Oh, children, they are in toilet. They didn't bring the iPad to the toilet. No. Hey, Javier, remove your virtual lah. You look zag. I feel very sad like my lesson very boring. You're sleeping. Yeah. Can you have like fire? Then I'll be on fire too. I don't think there is one lah, but you get the idea, huh? Wow, angel can. I don't mind serving an angel. Hey guys, can I tell you one more thing? Can or not? But everybody come back first, okay? Because I need to.
Okay.
Okay, everybody is back or not? Okay, let's give 30 more seconds, okay? 30 more seconds. Okay.
Can I see question 28?
Question 28 but Darlene, sorry leh. I only print for the question that I'm doing leh. Yeah, you can try to ask it in the WhatsApp group or the Facebook group.
So,
I try to answer, okay? I try, yeah? Okay, I forgot my question. How are you? Cannot distract me on, guys. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So we start now, huh? Is everybody good?
yes.
Okay. Yeah. Who is not back? Nobody can answer that, right? That's a ridiculous question, right? Okay. Hey, children, teacher really want to be the best teacher, not only for you all, but also for all the future kids that come and trust me, right? So, can I have a small request from you? Can you help me? And persuade your parents to help me also, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. I have a very short survey. The
Okay.
survey question is on what you like about Teacher Julie lesson, what you don't like about Teacher Julie lesson. Teacher is very open, like an open book, okay? And also there's really one contest, a small contest there, which is if you can use less than 40 words to describe Teacher Julie lesson and Teacher Julie style, what will you say? So we want only authentic reply, okay? You can tell because, by the way, teacher is an English language graduate, okay, from NUS. So I teach English too, okay, by the way. Yeah. So I can tell, I can smell whether it's authentic or not. I don't need bluffer, okay? I just want real. If you don't feel that Teacher Julie is just crap, please don't write crap, just leave it blank. It's okay, I won't get offended, okay? Yeah, but be genuine. So the best authentic answer, okay, will win a popular voucher $10. So you must give me your email or your phone number, okay? Yeah, so that we can send it to you, the winner lah. Okay, can? And can I be the judge? May I have the honor? I cannot send to all of you and then let you vote, right? Okay? Yeah, I really want to improve myself. That's the main goal, okay? I want to be a better teacher.
Myself.
Yeah. So, Uncle Okay, Uncle Brian will put this at the end of the lesson because we don't want to distract you from the class. Is that okay? Yeah. Yeah, and then the same the same survey you can do two. One is from the child, so you must say you're a child, so I know, okay? And parents also, so you can have 2 and 3. Can? Because I want to really know how a child feel. I want to really know because I am serving children actually, not parents. Yeah, but my parents do sit in when we are having the regular online class. They say, can I sit in? Of course can. If you don't mind my jokes, of course can, right? Okay. And some of my parents, they are awesome parents. A lot of them become my very close friends. Like Mary is here. Yeah. So they help me. They always encourage me. They always tell me, how I can be a better teacher. So I really, really love them. I love my parents, especially my own student parents. Okay. Yeah. So guys, help me fill the survey form. Even though next year you don't have Titi Meme anymore, you're the only one P6. Just help me, can? Yeah. Okay, Uncle Brian will send now, but you promise me you don't. We'll send it one more time at the end of the class. You promise me you don't go in and answer, okay? Stay focused in my class, can? Okay, so let's do it now. Okay. Okay, actually this question is not that hard. Okay, I know most of you can do it, but I'm more interested in the B. How to teach you to try B. That's my only main reason why I choose this question, okay? Because I think this B, some of you are scared. So I'm going to go through quickly, okay? Oh yeah, I remember what I want to teach you already. Suddenly, I just remember. Okay, guys. Okay, can you take a book and write down, please? Okay, take a book. If you have a book with you already, just say done. Just say okay, ready. Just say ready, or just R. Okay, just write R. Just checking now. Okay. Yeah. If you have a book ready, just say R. Okay. As long as I see 50 R, I will just start. Okay, I see 50 R, just not read lah R. Okay, can. Okay. Thank you. I think about 50 already, huh? Okay, so guys, I need to tell you something. Normally, when I teach my student, I don't always repeat that because I'm not naggy in nature. But actually, I have a system of thinking math. Some people call it methodology. I don't know what to call it, but I really have a system of thinking math. And it's like that. Okay, I teach you. Number 1 is always you search. S for search. Okay, you search for the information. Remember, for the last few lessons, we already have like John is 2:3 or things like that. You're searching for information. But actually, usually you're not searching for information. You're searching for relationships, basically. Okay, you search for relationships. Okay, how are things related? Okay, then after that, T. Okay, T is for technique. Okay? Techniques usually for teacher Julie, most of the time we have units table, right? I'm sure you're used to it already, right? Units table. And then after that, units table is our machine gun. Just kill all as much as we can, right? And then after that, we have model. Model is always below units table. Okay, of course, there are other things like guess and check, supposition, blah, blah, blah. But these are like the small character in the movie show. They are not the big characters, okay? Then this is ST already, right? Can you guess the next letter? I give you a clue. You go and look at 007. What is on her profile now? And that's exactly how I see you. Can you see 007? Can't see how I can see. 007 is my student. Those are stars. And I tell you this, guys, I see you as stars. Really, I see you as beautiful, sparkling stars. So please live up to my expectation that you're stars, okay? So A, let's look at A now. A means apply concept. A means apply concept. So what concept do you want to apply? Okay, so for example, right, like unchanged total, unchanged quantity, or change, blah, 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 right? And also like things like, under the units table, usually we have the ABC box. We have the BCA box, and we have the TV box, right? Because when you apply the concept, you will know which box to use, correct or not? Okay, then the next one is R, right? R is resolve. Resolve means find one. Resolve to find one. Okay, write down. So the one is very important. Always try to find one. Not every question need one. To be honest, you should know by now you're P6, right? but a lot of them need 1. Find 1, okay? Then finally is another S, because teacher say in my eyes you are stars, right? That's why I name it in a way that you remember. S is for what? Find the solution. You can find already, right? True or not true? So you understand how it works now? So you always search. First, you search for information, highlight all the information. Then after that, you think about the technique that you want. But the technique you want is tied closely with a concept. Then you find 1. Usually you have to find 1, and then you find solution. Everybody got light bulb? Okay, can remember? Yeah, okay. If you're used to your school teacher acronym, please continue. Do not change shape now. It's late, yeah? Okay. So teacher is going to clear this now, okay? So, who needs me to do A? Anybody just shout out so that I will do A. If we don't need, then we don't want to do A. Okay. Okay. So let's teacher just give you the answers first. This one here will be okay. So okay, equal interval. So 1, 2, 3, and then of course 4, right? Okay, this one is 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the next one will be 5, right? Okay, just a word of warning. Okay, just a word of warning. Teacher Julie did one question recently, and I was too confident. Too confident can kill, you know. Really, too confident can kill. And then I was so confident that I didn't check. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is when you're doing a pattern question, it's always good to check the 5th one if they didn't give you. You understand? Especially if that question has odd number pattern and even number pattern. You die if you don't check. Okay, so check. Okay, check. Okay, then the next one. So they ask us now, what is the total number of toothpick, right? So let's see. Teacher change color now. So here you have, okay, here you have 1 times 2 equals to 2, right? Makes sense? 2 times 3 equals to 6. Everybody okay? Right. 3 times 4 equals to 12. So here must be 4 times 5 equals to 20. Right. Just multiply. Understand? Everybody is good, right? You understand, right? Can you see that teacher Julie always use pen? Your popular voucher. If you win it, you go and buy your favorite pen, okay, for your PSLE. And good luck to you, Okay. So now we are going to look at this one. A figure has a total of this, right? So they ask you now, how many circles are there? We know that the circles are actually the same as the figure number, correct or wrong? It's really the same, okay? So we also know that, you know, the total toothpick must be the 2nd row multiplied by the 3rd row, right? Make sense? Okay, so they will ask you, okay, so basically it will be something like that. 2nd row multiplied by 3rd row equals to 506, right? So how to find? Okay, teacher tell you roughly how to do it, okay? The trick I like to do is, look, I will test, for example, I find like the level to test. For example, I may test, depending on the number, I like to test things. Okay, sorry, I changed color, now you can't see. I will test things like 20 times 20, right? Which is actually, you know, 400, right? Correct? Then after that, I will test 25 by 25. Okay, I just have a rough test first. If it's too small still, I'll just do 30 times 30 really. But usually they won't be so evil, But then you have calculator. What excuse do you have? Right. So if you do, guys, if you do 25 times 25, you have equal to 625, right? So, okay, what's the technique now? Remember, check by layer, check by nice, beautiful number, okay? So after you do this, and you do this already, then you look at the last digit, 6, right? So you think now, what times what has a 6 behind, right? I think one of the easiest one is 2 times 3, right? Correct or wrong? So now I know that it's actually locked inside the 2. And I know also that, I know also that it must be one number bigger than the other, right? So I try, So I was so lucky, you know, I just tried 22 times 23 already. And I got my answer. So you say I'm lucky, it's not leh. It's because I can smell number already. I'm very good in my timetable. I can smell number. Can you smell number? Can you smell it? Yeah, it's important to learn to smell number. And they are your friends. Every one of them are there to help you. Okay? Yeah. Okay, can I move to the next question? Okay, who think that you have not known this tip before, but now you know? Can you say, oh, how can, okay, can you, wait, give me a minute. Can you say letter A? That means you have never, like, know that you can actually test. Oh, one person, the rest know ah. Okay, okay, how many more questions, Shanice? Shanice, only 3 more. Can or not, huh? Yeah, Uncle Brian said I'm giving too many questions to you already. They say I'm too greedy. But then I love you all. Then how? Tell me how? He was like, are you sure you give so many? No, but then I want to help the kids. Okay, very tired. Okay, tired, go and drink coffee. Okay, okay, don't be tired lah. Teacher is also tired lah, but I'm willing to help you, you know. Today is my off day, you know. Usually I don't work today, but I love you leh, you know. Okay, so don't complain. I'm a stranger to you, by the way. Have you seen me in real life? Then how come a stranger can love you? You cannot love yourself and do well? Yes, I will do it. Yes, I like that, Daniel. Okay. Okay, so okay, so a lot of you don't know, right? So now you know. Now you have a bag of tricks, right? Yeah, teacher has tricks one because I'm a cheater butt. You remember I tell you, Roti Prata cheater butt. You can call me cheater butt. Hey, don't call me cheater butt outside. You can beat your butt. Okay, can we do the next question now? Shall we? Okay, Jaden, are you okay, Jaden? Yeah. Okay, teacher is looking at you, darling, cheering you on. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at the next question now. Okay. So, okay, this question. Okay, I paste it on whiteboard now, okay? Yeah, you don't have to give me the step. I think that if I give you the step, I need 5 minutes to wait for you. So just give me your answers, can or not? Okay, going to the whiteboard now. Write your answers gigantic for me, okay? Gigantic so that everybody can see your answers. If you don't know how to do it, it's okay. Okay, say, if you don't know how to do, let me go whiteboard first, okay. Okay. Yeah. If you don't know how to do, you can say unstoppable. Don't say I don't know. Okay, unstoppable means it's okay. We can do it. We can try. Okay, so teacher is going to push to you now. Okay, current page. Ready? Go to your whiteboard now in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're not on the whiteboard, you won't receive it one. Okay, go. Give me the gigantic answers. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's see. Teacher is waiting for the whiteboard to... Hey, Claire, today not coloring lesson. After lesson, then draw color. Yeah. Oh, Claire, are you Wei Mei's daughter? Oh, actually, I'm your auntie from the same church last time. 加油 Claire. Love you. I've seen you when you're a baby, by the way. Thank you. Tell mommy thank you for letting you come. Okay, I'm honored by her support. Yeah, and I love you. Okay, work hard. Okay, yeah. 3 more weeks can work magic. Yeah. Okay. 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 So, wow, I see a gigantic. Hey, Claire answers very good, big and good. Yeah, 60 cents. Oh, Yuzi didn't refresh the okay. I see some wrong answer, but that's okay, okay? Don't worry. Yeah, I think some of you didn't go back to your whiteboard, yeah, but some did, okay? Okay, so can I teach you now? Is it okay? I think some of you, half the class didn't answer. So maybe that question is a bit tricky for you, right? Okay, let's not waste time. At least teacher can gauge how many kids can answer this question. Is it okay? Okay, actually, can I be very honest? This one is really doable. Okay, really doable. As long as you understand your comparison model, you understand what is unique, you can do this question. Okay, so let's do it now. Okay, so here we have 6 cupcakes and 11 tarts, right? Okay, so this is a very important clue. You spend all your money, you know, it means it's gone. Guys, it's just gone. Okay, then 6 cupcake and 11 tarts, right? Okay, then the next information is if he had bought 7 cupcakes and 2 tarts, okay, he would save $3.60, right? Okay, then the next clue is each cupcakes cost $1.20 more than each tart. So everybody is okay, right? Not so bad, right? Okay, guys, listen. I can roti prata the question, you know. Instead of saying he would save this, I can change it to he need another. So your brain must be very roti prata also. Okay, make sure roti prata brain go in the exam and score fragrant marks. Okay, not chow ta marks. Okay, so let's do this one now. So, okay, the biggest clue, guys, the biggest clue you must recognize is this one. Okay, this one. Why? Because this one allowed every sentence to change into unit. It is your power bullet. Understand? No? So, if you go and think, how I know? Cupcakes and 11 tarts, 2 variable. Okay, I use unit and part. Good luck to you, huh? No need. Okay, so you use this one. You focus on the easiest to digest detail. So teacher trick is focus on the easiest to digest detail and then build from there. Okay, so guys, this one. So here, look, 1 cupcake, okay, 1 cupcake, okay, is actually 120 more, right? So it means that it will be 1 cupcake will be 1 unit plus 1.2, okay, and 1 tart is 1 unit. Everybody got light bulb, no light bulb first? No light bulb, then I need to draw model already. Oh, Jaden say, come on then, let's do it. Okay, then, okay, so now that you understand, so now we will, listen, the trick is change everything into unit. Make your life easy. Everything in US is better. Right? Everything in US is better than
Exactly.
Thai baht and Canadian dollar is like confusing. All in US. You understand my joke, right? It means unit, okay? It doesn't mean US. Okay. So now, okay, guys, if you have a shorter method, please don't throw stones at me. I really need to think of a solution that you can apply on multiple questions. I am not a teacher that, oh, you don't know this one, I just tell you how to. I'm not like that one. I think, how can a teacher roti prata this question? Okay, I think I zap into their brain. They roti prata what I teach, so that all roti prata I fry. Okay, that's how I do it. Okay, so here, let's try now. So you have 6 cupcakes plus 11 tarts. So sometimes my method may be a little bit more, but can answer more questions. So which one you want? You want a little bit more step, or you want answer more question? You think now. Answer more question, right? Okay, so here, okay, so here it will be 6. Then here you have 1 unit plus 1.2. Comes from here, guys, if you didn't see this, this one, and then plus 11 tart will be 11 unit. Everybody is okay, huh? So you open up the bracket, guys. 6 unit plus, okay, 1.2 times 6 will be 7.2, right? 7.2. Then plus 11 unit. Hey guys, if you must make sure that everything is neat. Don't jump step, okay? Give your teacher a break and give her a breeze to mark your paper. Okay, so this is exactly, okay guys, this is really the money. This is the money you really have if you spend all. Make sense now? Everybody understand? Clear or not clear? So far so good, right? Okay, so guys, this is, let's say you are looking at all the money you have. Is it fair enough if I say that it's actually like that? True or not true? And it's exactly 17 unit plus 7.2. Agree or disagree, guys? Agree, right? Okay, now we are going to look at the next one. The next one is the one that you will struggle with. Okay, and I'm going to show you that it's really not that bad. Trust me. Okay, it's really not that bad. Okay, so here teacher is going to change to this pink now. Okay, sorry, pink. So we are looking at now the 7 cupcakes. So 7 cupcakes plus 2 tarts. Okay, so 7 cupcakes will be 7 multiplied by 1u plus 1.2, right? Teacher is so leceh, right? But then leceh is good, okay? Plus 2u. Okay, so I'm not going to open the bracket and show you already because no space, okay? Become 9 unit plus 8.4. Make sense now, everybody? So now you think now. If you save money, that means the model is shorter or longer. You think now. If you save money, the model is longer or shorter? Shorter, right? Okay, shorter, right? So it will look like that. Okay, look at my black pen now, guys. Look at my black pen. So if you buy, you're going to save money. Isn't it like lesser now? Agree or disagree? And so therefore, this will be 9 unit plus 8.4. Got light bulb or no light bulb? Got light bulb, huh? Okay. So if it's 1 unit plus, if it is this, and then you save 360, which is this one here, that means, do you agree with teacher that this will be 3.6? Understand or don't understand? So your comparison model comes in, you know. True or not true? So what you learn in P2, you don't throw away, huh? You use it back. Clear? Okay. Now, teacher asks you a question now. So, okay, guys, then, okay, you know one of many question in iSchool portal, they use a lot of units table. If you go and search, it's tons and tons. The other very important concept that you must learn is called units equation. Okay, if you search under iSchool, it's called unit equation. So teacher now was going to just quickly go to iSchool and show you just a quick one, okay, how to find, because we always have new friends. So all the old friends, be patient with teacher Julie, okay? Okay. We have units equation in case you want to know. Okay, if you're choosing P6 is here. So so for your titi meme who are weaker, or I mean younger, P5, you can go to the strategy and learn all this. Okay, so let's look at P6 now, faster. Okay, okay. So we have a lot of units equation. Teacher, this is actually strategy topic. So teacher know you want to know how to shift your number and your unit. So teacher think of all the roti prata mutation for you so that you roti prata until you know. Okay, so this is your unit equation, and we also have a problem sum. So you can see there's a lot, you know, guys. Okay. So you can see a lot. Okay. So and so next thing is teacher want to show you this. One more thing, okay? If you want to have another concept, like you want to do units equation with question that appear in PSLE, so you just find one. Yeah, you see? So many questions you can use in equation. Yeah? Okay. Because okay, then after that, one more thing to show your friends, okay? Okay, so if you look at assessment, okay, look at assessment. Okay, for parents who want to know, like roughly where is your child standing, especially those who are in P5, you can actually let them do the exam papers here. These are real PSLE exam, but I changed the numbers because of copyright reasons. And we have actually done, we are planning, we are done, but we need to check the next few papers or PSLE range, okay, and then you can test yourself what are the concepts that your child is weak in, okay? So you can see here, okay, you click the I here, you can see like what topic your child is weak at. Yeah, they'll tell you the weightage, like wow, this exam a lot of fraction question come up. Yeah. Okay, which topic your child is really weak in, you go and whack lah. You whack yourself, okay? And then one last thing to show you is this one. We actually have a lot of worksheets. Okay, so the beauty of the worksheet is self-generating. Okay, so if your child did the worksheet wrongly and want to do again, you just click this button. They will generate new numbers for the wrong question, If you click all, they will generate a full set of brand new questions of the same worksheet, but all different numbers, so your child cannot copy lah. Sorry, children. Sometimes it's tempting, right? Okay. So, okay, guys, can we go back to the question now? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, we go back to this one. Okay, we're almost done. So once you reach here, you can clap hand already. You can clap hand because you're moving to the next stage, and that is to find. You're at the stage R already. Find 1 unit, right? Okay, find 1 unit. So how are you going to find 1 unit? So it is like this, okay? Teacher is going to show you. Maybe I use yellow pen, okay? Yeah, because no space, guys. Okay, so here you have 17 unit plus 7.2 is equal to 9 unit plus 8.4, okay? And then plus this 3.6 because they are equal. They are equal, right? Plus 3.6. So now you need to shift all the units to the left side, the numbers on the right side, right? And you also know that if it's a plus, you shift to the other side, it's the opposite, which is minus. If it's a minus, opposite will be a plus, right? So I'm not going to move into that, if not, no time. So now we have 8 unit is equal to 4.8, and therefore 1 unit is equals to 4.8. Okay, now we're at S already, S, which is the solve, right? Solution, right? So
Wait,
here,
why is 8 unit 4.8?
then I need to shift here and shift there already. You want me to do it?
Oh,
Yeah, you just shift. Okay, you have fun. After I have confidence in you, okay, Austin, you try. If you don't know how to shift, maybe we see how I can help you, okay? Yeah, ask mommy PM me. Okay, so here it will be, okay, I think I best quickly say because I don't want to leave Elton hanging. So darling, this one move. Okay, so there will be 17 unit minus 9 unit. Okay, then here, this one here move. Okay, so it'll be 8.4 plus 3.6 plus 7.2. Okay, okay, so I think you understand already. So here I'm trying to find the last stage already. 4.8 divided by 8 is equals to 0.6. Clear? 0.6. So of course your answer will be, you cannot write that, right? You want to die, is it? So it will be $0.60. If the answer have a cent, then please change to cent. Don't get tricked. Can I move to the next question? Is it okay? Move to the next question now. Okay, so teacher asks a question now. How many of you change everything into units and then try to think of the comparison model to understand the relationship? Then you do. Can you send me a me? Teacher want to check how many me? Yeah. 1. 1 only.
Me.
Oh, Jai, good. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you do the wrong way. Could be because you shift the things wrongly or you open the bracket wrongly. The person will say I did wrongly. Okay, good. Not many me. Maybe some of you look at this question, get giddy. Don't get giddy, okay? Guys, really don't need to get giddy. The trick is here only, guys. True or not true? Who think that the trick is actually here? As long as you draw the comparison model, you could understand the question, right or not? Give me a thumbs up. You think that you agree with me? Yes. Shantosh, no thumbs up. Okay. Glad. Okay, good. Okay, can I go to the next question now? Okay. Oh, guys, I think Uncle Brian is right there. Now it's 5:30 already. Let's do a bit fast now. 2 more questions. Okay, this question very fast, okay? Super fast. Okay, so that, okay, everybody go to your whiteboard now and just type the answer for me, can? Or write the question from answer for me. I just want to know who. Okay. Okay, so let's go whiteboard. Okay, yeah, whiteboard. Yeah. Okay, so go to whiteboard now quickly. Okay, when teacher say whiteboard, you quickly jump to the whiteboard. Don't wait for me. Okay. Yeah. So this one here. Okay, this one here. Okay. Okay. Instead, okay, I say properly. Instead of giving me the answer, I think it's no fun. Remember, we have S, T, A, right? Okay, I want this. Okay, instead of telling me the answer, I want to see who can recognize the concept. Okay, we are not looking at S, we are looking at T. So you think what T you want to use for this question. We think of the A. What concept you want to apply to this question? Okay, you just need to enter T and A. If you're not sure, just say unstoppable. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, so teacher is going to push it. I'm not interested in answer because confirm plus drop, this question won't come out for PSLE one. But the way to think come out for PSLE. Understand now? Okay, so teacher is pushing you now. 1, 2, 3, push. Okay, I see the answers. Good try. But can you tell me what method you use, what technique you use? Yeah. Not sure, just write not sure, okay? That's really okay. Yeah. All right, unstoppable also can. Okay, guys, if you did not update your answers, teacher will remove you, can? Is it okay? So that I don't need to scroll down all the way. Okay, guys, I'm going to remove one more. Okay, bye-bye. Not very nice. Okay, kick. Bye-bye. Don't come in, okay? If you're not going to be nice, okay? Yeah. Okay, anybody? Teachers was very curious what method you use. Nobody answer. Really? Just give me the answer. Oh, model. Edison very quiet. Edison know me very well. Okay. Oh, some show me the steps. Okay, never mind. Shall we start now? Yeah. So when teachers see that you didn't write the concept name, teachers a little bit concerned. But it's okay. I'll be here for you, okay? I expected you to give me the name of the technique, which is model. I expected you to give me the concept name, which is, at least I want to see the word remainder. But in iSchool, we call it remainder concept. Okay, if you Google, you go and I search under concept, it's called remainder concept. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start. Yeah. Okay, so hold on a minute. Daddy, can you please give them the link for PSLE training question inside the Zoom chat? PSLE, the Padlet one. And our iSchool concept list. Not the sample question, all the question that we put down. You know that one, right? Yeah. Yeah, because some of you may be new, so Uncle Brian is going to give you the 2 Padlet that we think is useful, especially if you really want to revise and especially for the P5 and the P4 parents who happen to be here, okay? Because I know some of you got Titi Mei, right? Okay, so first thing first is 4-7. Mr. Chandra spent 4-7 of his money on 28 boxes of chocolate, right? So teacher Julie is going to draw. How many do you think I will draw? 7, right?
7.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5, 6, 7. This is bad. I draw one more, okay? It's okay. Can you forgive me? Okay, 7. So here we have 4. We have 4. Okay, and this 4 is for 28 chocolate boxes. True? So I'll just write 28C, okay? Then the next part is this. He would need the remaining of his money. Okay, which is here. This is the remaining of his money, which is this part here. And another $45 more to buy another 36 chocolate boxes of chocolate. Okay, so I'm not going to draw any more first. I wait. Okay, I digest the information first. And remember, okay, S is to search, right? You search for a relationship, right? There's a relationship between the boxes and the chocolate, correct or not? So you can see that here, every box is actually, teacher change color, is actually 28 divided by 4, you get 7, right? Agree with teacher Julie or not? Correct. You see, once you write inside, it's actually not so scary. But teacher's suggestion for you is during a PSLE, don't use pen, okay? Use pencil for this kind of drawing, okay? Just in case. That means, logically, the rest must also be 7C. Agree or disagree? Agree, huh? Okay. But then if... Oh, thank you. I got a shock. Okay. If he wants to buy another 36 with the rest of the money, that means he must use all this money. True or not true? All this money will be gone, right? And he he needs another 45. He needs another 45. That means the model will go outside already. Okay, outside. But then the issue is how long? How long, right? You know that, guys. You know that this one here, 7, 14, 21. This is 21C already, right? True or not true? 21C, right? And you know that you need to buy 36. Okay, let's think. For example, let's ask, like, let's make Claire go and buy. Claire, one fine day, Claire will get married, okay? So Claire decided that, I need to buy 21. Claire decided that she wanted 21. Claire said, what? This very bad. Like, why use my name? Okay, Claire bought 21 boxes. I want to buy 21 boxes. Then mommy said, no, we need to buy 36, right? So Claire drive in her car because she wants mommy to be happy, right? So, okay, because she's sending me a cake, you see, a box. Okay, 36, right? So what is 36? Can you see now? You will be from here all the way here. True or not true? Agree? And this will be 36 chocolate. Make sense now? So here, okay, so here it will be what? So it will be 36 minus 21, which is 15.
And 45 divided by 15.
And then, and we know, yes, you're right. And then we know that this one here is $45, right? $45. So is it going to be easy already? And can you see that by using different colors, it actually really helps you understand faster and better, right? Okay, so my question to you is this. Listen to Teacher Julia. We have one more question only, okay? Then I answer your question on what happened to my daughter, okay? So here, okay, so you have 15. Okay, so they ask now, how much did each box cost, right? It's here. So we know that 15 chocolate boxes is actually $45. Make sense? So therefore, one chocolate boxes will be 45 divided by 15, which is equal to $3. Everybody got light bulb or no light bulb? Got light bulb, right? So its model is still important. Did I say don't learn model? Waste time only. No, still important, okay? Yeah. Okay, so here this is $3. Get it now? Okay, next one. Mr. Chandra have at first. So Mr. Chandra have at first will be this one here, all the way, all the pinky here, right? Which is actually how many? 7, 14, 21, 20?
49.
35, 42, and 49. This is how I taught my children timetable. No? I sing the timetable in 10 songs, okay? That's how I taught my little one how to learn the timetable. So that is the 7th timetable song. Okay, so you're right. So 49C, it will be equal to 49 times 3, right? Which is equals to 147. Okay, by the way, I need to highlight to you something important. Do you remember my STAR? Remember my R? R is to find 1, right? If you want to find 1, this is my preferred way of presentation, okay? Please don't any hamtam. I don't hate students, but I hate students who do this, which is 45 divided by 15 is 3. Then after that, 49 times 3. Guys, please help your brain, parents, especially your children are not in P6. Please fix their presentation. This is so easy to see. Can you give your brain a break or not? I pity your brain. I need to calculate, need to think, need to have either higher order thinking skill. And then you do this way, you can check things, right? And then one more thing. Can I give you the important tip of the day? I think maybe I've given it before. Please, whenever you find 1 already, guys, go and box it or highlight. Very important. So you don't have to look up, look down, look left, look right for that thing. Are you clear? You find it, huh? Okay, may I continue now? Next question, last one. Hi, Wei Mei. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's look at the next question. Okay, everybody okay? Look. Yeah. Sorry, teacher mute. Mommy didn't know that she was. Hey guys, question 17. Okay. Those who don't answer one, don't know the answer one. I'm very curious now. Reply now. 1 means easy, 2 means intermediate, 3 because iSchool is also like that. iSchool got level 1, level 2, level 3, so you can find out your level 3 if you want.
1.
Okay. So if you think that is okay, don't care what people say, okay? Really don't care. You yourself answer. This question to you, is it level 1, level 2, or level 3? Okay, for those who have done.
Level 1.
Oh, I was not done with the other
In between level 1 and level 2. Like, it can be a bit tricky, but at the same time, it's doable. Like, it's not that hard if you know. If you
Where got
see.
1.51? You're very fun. But then, very good. Some of you said, you all managed to solve? Actually, but then not many people
Yeah,
answer.
manage.
I managed to solve both.
Level 4. Okay, guys. Okay, teacher is going to paste this in the whiteboard now, because I want to know only one thing. One thing. What technique you use, huh? Teacher's very curious now. Okay, yeah, hold on. Let me go whiteboard first. Okay, guys, next question already. You just tell me, write gigantic, okay? Okay, tell me now what technique you use. Okay, yeah, tell me. I'm very curious. Push to you now, Yeah, go. I'm super curious. Okay, I'm super curious. Yeah, push to you now. You just write down, okay, what technique you use. Yeah. Hey, don't need to say sorry to me, okay, children? Okay, no need to say sorry. You don't need to be sorry because you're learning. Okay? Yeah. Children should say sorry to me only if they didn't work hard and do their homework. It's okay to be wrong. Okay? Yeah. Guys, nobody tell me the technique. What's the technique? Okay, units and part. Okay, good job. But I didn't use unit and part, but then good job. Ratio and model. Okay, units table, I think. Percentage to units. Okay, good. Okay, Alston, good. Okay, any more? Units table. Yeah, Cynthia, you are not my student, but you're already my student in my heart. Okay, any more? Okay, no more already. Hey, guys, you all didn't put the most important thing to me.
Yeah, I got put.
Where is my decimal unit?
Oh,
I scrolled up and down, also didn't see decimal unit. I ran and cry already.
so
Okay,
I use ratio.
Yeah, very good. Okay, no problem.
I use BCA.
Use whatever you are comfortable with, especially if you're in P6. Teacher is just giving you another tool only, okay? So don't feel like, hey, I didn't. Okay. Before I do this question, teacher just tell you what happened to my daughter, okay? I was really worried. So I called my friend. What should I do? I called two friends. One is an SMU professor, and one is senior management of another university. Okay, one of the 4 university. I said, should I ask my daughter to get MC? Then ask me back, is that the value you want your child to have? I felt so embarrassed. I said no. So I didn't say to my daughter anything. I said, you decide yourself. So the night came, and she didn't take her MC. She lost a chance already. So she just dropped an email to her professor. She said, sorry, I really forgot the date. It's like epic really epic, horrible mistake. The professor emailed her back and said, sorry, I can't help you. Yeah. So after that, I asked my friend again, because she's an SMU professor, right? Then I said, should I go and meet the professor? I said, please 20 already, still need to intervene, meh? No need, right? So we can only pray, right? We can only pray. So what happened was, she's very blessed, You know what happened? The professor was really kind. He looks like he didn't care, but he's kind. That paper turned out to be very tough, So, and then the professor was really kind, because please don't tell other people, later I get it, okay? Was that, he tried to, give a slightly better score for assignment. I think she did right, because SMU is very assignment based. So she actually gave a good assignment score to deserving one, not like anyhow. So she passed, and she's now in year 4 already. Okay? Yeah. So it's just, but you know what? I respect her, not for her marks. is for her integrity. I ask you a question now. Do you have integrity? Remember my story. You can forget my face, but remember my story, okay? Grow up to be upright. Because you'll go a lot further. Okay? So let's continue this question now. Okay. So, okay, let's do this question now. Yeah. So, okay. The ratio of the amount of David's money to the amount of sister money was 5:3, right? So, okay. And then after that, they bought a present, okay, a present, birthday present for her mother. Okay. David paid 60% of the cost of the present. Okay. Next one. His sister paid for the rest. So next one, after buying the present, okay, David had 1/4 of his money left. Okay, and then finally his sister had $158 left, right? So first question is, what is the ratio of the amount of money David paid to the amount of money that sister paid? So this is one question where, hey guys, touch wood lah, if you really don't know how to do this, at least you can do A and get your 1 mark, right? Do you know from AL1 to AL4, every 1 mark really counts a big deal, right? So, okay, we know that the information is to compare the part that they paid, right? Which is actually this information here, right? So, if David paid 60%, of course the sister paid 40%. Do you agree with teacher on this? You agree, right? So if you simplify it, it will be 3:2. Everybody understand this part? Got like bar, right? This one 3 marks. So, hey guys, next time got high marks question, don't think that, hey, yeah, I sure don't know one. Hey, you may know A, you know, you may know even B. Or guys, remember the STAR? S? Maybe you know how to do STAR, maybe you know a bit. We just don't know how to do S. Got marks one, ho. Please don't be so generous with your marks, huh?
Yeah.
Okay? Okay?
That's good.
So, yes. Okay, so now we do. Okay, so we have, okay, I'm going to, okay, I did A already, so I'm going to do B. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how Teacher Julie think about this question. So, okay, I think about this question a little bit like Sudoku, little bit. Okay, so you have David and the sister, right? So here, the money they have was 5:3. So because I already read the question, I decided that I want to use decimal unit. Okay, so this one here will be 5U, and this one here will be 3U. Everybody okay with this? I think you're very familiar with decimal unit already, right? It's just how I use decimal unit to roti prata, different type of question, right? Okay, so then there's a change. So I'm doing a BCA box, right? You know, huh? Okay, so I have minus. I know it must be a minus. Okay, I know this one must be a minus for sure. Okay, so I just leave it. And I also know that this one here, okay, for this one, I actually, to be honest, I kept this at 60%. No, I just kept it as, I don't know why, but when I was doing the question, I just kept it at 60%. And I just kept this as 40% because I'm not worried. I'm not too worried. But for you, if you want to simplify, that's okay for me. Okay. Yeah. So you can even do like 3 parts to 2 parts. That's why I know some of you use unit and part, right? I understand where you're coming from. Okay. Yeah. Then after that, guys, the important thing is here. Can you see that David had 1/4 of his money left? Right, this is the left. That means it must be the last row after, right? So what I did was I used 1/4, which is all of David's money. And I know David's money at first is 5 units. Makes sense, right? So I use 1/4 times 5 units. Okay, wait, oh, sorry, this is bad writing. Let me clean it, okay? Teacher don't want to confuse you. I know some of you, once it's untidy, your brain is like breakdown or you cannot think properly. So I'll be neat for you, okay? So it's which is equals to 1.25 unit. Everybody understand this? Correct, right? You understand, right? This one decimal units, you're quite clear already, right? Because of the previous webinar we did. Okay, so here, do you agree with teacher that this will be 1.25 unit? So I fill up what I know. Later, then I figure out what I don't know, but I know how to figure out. That's the problem, okay? That is the good thing, not problem. Okay, so here, can you see now that I have the 158? So this is here, 158. Okay, this is 158. And what are the information that I still don't have? Okay, I still don't have information here. I put a question mark. Here, don't know. Here, don't know. Right? I know here, but I don't know the units represented by here. Why I need it? Because it's at this stage already. Resolve. Resolve is to find the I love you number. Right? I love you number and make it into one unit. So you know it's at this stage. And immediately on this table, you know where's the I love you number already. It's actually hiding here. Right? So that was one of the important clue we have. Then the next thing is, look guys, you think about it now. Okay, teacher highlight for you in yellow so that you can see. Can you see this is 5 unit, guys? Right? Can you see this is 1.25 unit? Okay, so what will happen is, of course, why did 5 unit become 1.25 unit, right? It will be because, of course, it's because, okay, 5 unit minus 1.25 unit is equal to 3.75 units. This part you also understand already, right? Okay, so teacher is going to clean this. Okay, so basically you can see now, I always, actually parents, especially if you're in P3 to P5, encourage your children to play Sudoku. It's really very powerful. Okay, it's really very powerful. Yeah, you suddenly see your children marks improve. Then you know why. Because your children know how to solve piece by piece. Math is about solving small pieces of puzzle. Then you will move to the next stage, okay? So here this is minus 3.75 unit. So this one you understand already, right? Then teacher give you another must take away technique, okay? I tell you this, in the units table, there's ranking one, there's ranking. Ranking means like not all are born equal. It's just that sometimes human beings not all are born equal, right? Like politician has more power, right? So you always, when you look at your units table, you always check where is your I love you number and where are the numbers that has two relationship hidden inside. If they are two in relationship hidden, they are linked one. Guys, this is your clue. Okay, so here you can see at here now that, guys, can you see now? If 60%, so we are actually at here now, our 1 unit thing, okay? 60% is equivalent to 3.75 unit, then I can find 40%, right? Makes sense, right? 40%. Some of you want to use 3 part and 2 part. I'm okay with that. Okay, I'm really okay with that. I didn't use part because some children are afraid of part, so I just keep it to percent. But if you can use part, why not? The number is smaller, okay? So here it becomes 3.75 divided by 60 times 40.
Which is 2.5.
Very good, which is 2.5 unit. So guys, you remember teacher say, if I can, I really love to change all the information into unit because I can roti prata the question. Right? I will not be afraid of what the teacher asks because whatever you roti prata, I also can give you, right? So later we roti prata a little bit, okay? So here, this will be, so teacher is going to clean this part now, guys. Okay, clean this part and I'll just change it to, yeah. So what I love to teach my student is how to do it so that you can roti prata it, okay? Yeah. So now we know this is, so children, you see now, okay, let's teacher highlight for you again. Let's see some magic again. So here, children, you see, I use orange now. This is 3 unit now. This is minus 2.5 unit. Can you guess what is this? Because this is the I love you number, you must love the I love you unit, right? Where is my I love you unit? It will be 3 minus 2.5, which is equals to 0.5 unit. True or not true? So you already finished this stage, you know, guys. You understand me? You already finished this stage. Now you're going to the next stage already. Get it now? Okay. So here, the last part will be 0.5 unit. Okay. is actually equals to 158. So you can find one unit, which is actually 158 times 2, right? 158 times 2. Okay, which is actually equals to 316. So how much did the sister pay for the present? You know that it's 2.5, right? So 2.5 unit is equal to 2.5 times 316, which is equal to 790. So the answer is $790. Get it or don't get it? And remember, teacher say when you find your one unit, okay, you always box it up or highlight. Can you do teacher a favor? Can this be my present for PSLE? That you make an effort to do that? Okay, so who think that, teacher ask a question now, who think that by doing search, okay, decide on the technique, look out for the concept to apply, solve to find one, and then solve your question, who think that this is a good technique to learn? Okay, so if you think that, hey, I like this, okay, can you say me? Me, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, wow, so many me. Yeah. Okay, so guys, it's very easy. Just search for a relationship, convert the relationship usually into ratio number, then technique. Okay, Ray Ann is okay. It's okay. If you have your own method, I'm okay. I'm really okay. I'm not a autocratic person. You know, I'm not domineering. Okay, so okay guys, we solved this question. Okay, and one more thing. Teacher want to ask you, please go and fill up your why you like teacher Julie or what you don't like. It's really okay. Okay, be authentic, be sincere, be kind. And then one more question to ask you. So do you want teacher to only pick up all the wrong one, teacher to do all the wrong one for you? I mean not wrong one, the challenging question, I just look through all the papers, or you want me to like just pick one school and pick 5 can already? Which one do you all like? You want me to always choose number 2 is what? Pick one school and then just do 5, is it? Aru said he wants the first one. Your parents want your parents want me to whack all the challenging leh. But then not, if I really whack all the challenging, I can. But then I'm going to groom only AL1 to AL3 leh. You know what I mean, right? Yeah. Okay, then one more thing. Okay, before I go please do my survey for me, and then teacher tell you one more story, so next lesson you look forward to another story. Okay, I suddenly thought of that story. Okay, this is a real story. Okay, real one. You know, there was this math student. He was in the university. Okay, he was doing a major in math, but unfortunately he arrived late. So he saw 2 questions on the table, the board, right? Okay, and then before he came in, the professor said, these 2 questions have never been solved before. Okay, but he thought it was homework leh. So he copied down his homework. Okay, so I will tell you in the next class. Stay tuned on what happened next.
Bye.
Okay, so I love you all
Bye.
guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for coming to my class. Okay.
Gozaimasu.
Yeah,
Bye.
I cannot
Thank
see
you.
Mary.
And goodbye.
What do you say? Mary, you must off the virtual, then I can see. Yeah. Then bye-bye guys. Thank you for coming in.
Bye. Thanks, Julie.
Bye-bye Claire. 加油 Claire.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. All light bulb light up. Thank you, teacher Julie. Oh, thank you so much, Jaden. All light bulb light up. Jaden, must try this question again, Okay, I love you, Jaden. You know I love you a lot, right? Yeah? Okay, go. By tomorrow, must watch all one video at a time and then redo all the questions, okay? You should be able to understand far more than them because you have been with me, okay? Yeah, bye-bye, everybody. Thank you so much. Hi, Snail Boy. Bye-bye, Javia. Yeah. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, bye-bye, Laurette. Bye-bye, Kay. Bye-bye, Lee. Bye-bye, Gwen. Bye-bye, Livet. Bye-bye, Peppa. Peppa, right? Bye-bye, Dinesh. Bye-bye, Rukia. Bye-bye, Kanao. Are you a Japanese? Yeah. Bye-bye, who else? Jinha, bye-bye. Hey, y'all don't want to say bye-bye to me, Y'all want to stay here? Okay. Bye-bye, everybody. I love y'all, okay? Work hard for your exam. Bye-bye, 007, my darling girl, okay? Okay, thank you for the stars today. I love it. Yeah. Bye-bye, everyone. Yeah. Huh? Rainier, your question for me. Let me stop the video again first. copy video